Assalamu alaikum, Elena here, the Muslim Travel Girl, and today I want to discuss something that I find super important and I get so many questions about it, and it is travel insurance and health insurance when you're going to Saudi Arabia for Umrah or tourism or for any purpose you get on a plane. I 100% believe you definitely need a health insurance. I have been hospitalized abroad, I have spent thousands, and I'm glad I had cover from travel insurance that I accidentally did not renew. This is my kicker always. I was gonna cancel this travel insurance and I forgot, and it auto-renewed, and literally 5 days later ended up in hospital. So why I'm discussing this is because the new visa waiver program that is available to UK citizens for Saudi Arabia, and I do have a video I'm gonna link somewhere or in the description, does not actually come with travel insurance. And this is super important because you never know when you're gonna get sick, and I'm always on the side of better be over-prepared than under-prepared. The tourist visa for Saudi Arabia includes travel insurance. You buy it as a package and you get a health certificate at the time of you downloading your visa. However, it is minimal coverage and it covers some really small things. Even if you have this as a peace of mind, get a better cover for you and your family, especially if you are traveling with children and elderly to Saudi. You don't want to get stuck in public hospital. Trust me, from experience. You want to go into a private hospital that are nice, that have amazing stuff, amazing facilities. And I have been to both, and I can definitely say the private one is better. And inshallah, you don't need to go there. They're underprepared. So if you are going to Saudi on the tourist visa or on the visa waiver, which does not even include the basic insurance, please get yourself an insurance that you can actually be happy with the coverage for you and your family. This answers the question because it has been asked so many times. I do have a free guide on DIY Umrah for the best time to go, ways to save money and everything. You can find it in the description below. I have a ton of information on Umrah on muslimtravelgirl.com. And if you like this video, like and subscribe for more informative videos.